Hello and welcome to another tutorial of VertexFX Client Terminal. Today, we're diving into the world of technical analysis, specifically, how to apply the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to your charts and understand its significance. To begin, let's start with technical analysis. You'll find it in your menu. Next, click on Oscillators. Now, look for the RSI option and click on it. To configure the RSI, you'll want to set specific parameters. We recommend using a period of 10 and a signal line of 26. You can customize the colors for both the RSI line and signal line to your preference. Now, let's move to the levels setting. Keep the default values, typically 30, 70, and 50. These values help define overbought and oversold conditions. Once you've configured your RSI settings, click Apply and then OK. Your RSI chart is now displayed on your screen. Now, let's decipher what this chart is telling us. On the left side of the RSI chart, you'll notice a downward trend. The RSI value currently reads 53.98. RSI is represented as a percentage. When RSI is below 50, it suggests a bearish trend, while RSI above 50 indicates a bullish trend. In our case, with an RSI above 51, it's signaling a bullish trend. In most cases, an RSI above 55 is considered strong for a bullish trend, while an RSI below 45 indicates a bearish trend. If RSI is within this range, it's a signal to consider your entry. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notifications.